Hello, I'm here again. I'm here again to bring you people news since Nigerian news houses and media houses cannot relay information and messages that has been something going wrong in the country. Did you guys see how the woman was gruesomely killed yesterday, murdered by Fulani herdsmen? Did you see it or you didn't see it? You did not see? You did not hear? Where is the chief of army staff, Musa? Musa, you go all the way from Nigeria to Finland to go and capture one person. You are spending billion. You and your colleagues, you people left Nnamdi Kanu in detention. But you are quick to go to Finland to go and start extraditing someone who is not in Nigeria. The one in your backyard, the one they call Tunji or whatever they call him, the Fulani boy who is bloody civilian, who has been terrorizing and sacking villages everywhere in the north, Plateau, Bronu. You don't see him, you cannot reach him. Just few kilometers from where your office is, you cannot capture a common bloody civilian. But you are quick to come to the news office to come and announce about Simon Ekpa. Do you see how people are? Do you see how you people behave? Do you see it? I've been waiting for the president of Arewa Consultative Youth to come out and talk about what Fulanis are doing, both in the north. Let's leave the east because we know we are going to take care of them. Every Fulani in the east must be taken care of, no doubt. The one in the north, I have not seen you come out and condemn it or talk or give a solution or even say these guys should be captured. You guys don't talk at all. The Sultan of Sokoto is there, he cannot talk. They cannot talk. Musa of a chief of army staff is there, he cannot do anything. They are quick to carry ammunition and go to the east to start to murder young boys. The problem of the Fulanis are the Igbos, and everybody knows that. Immediately the Igbos are out of the way, Nigeria can be conquered in one day. But the Igbos can never be conquered, no matter what they do. Anything they like, let them do it. They can never. Instead, we will spend our last card. It's not possible. Do you get the point? So, what I'm saying, the gruesome killing of that woman in Delta State yesterday, nobody is talking about it. All the Nigerian news houses, media houses, none of them are talking. None. When the people will retaliate now, they will say it's hunters. The one that happened in Uromi, 16 people were died. The whole news houses were on fire, talking about 16 people. Some say it's not good. Some say it's good. It is not good, but when they are buying people, it's good. When they are busy buying other tribes, no problem. But when they buy them, you people will go to news and start to talk rubbish and trash. The one that happened in Delta now, nobody is talking about it. Nobody. Look at the one happening in Plateau. Nobody is talking. Look at the one happening in Benue yesterday. Nobody is talking. Okay, you guys are waiting until people unleash their anger on them before people will come out and talk. These ones now, are they still hunters? Why can't you people hunt in the north? There are no animals in the north. Stay in your north and hunt in your north. Don't come to the south. If you want to come and sell your cow, come and sell your cows. Go back to your north. Don't stay in our bushes. You will not like it. Do not stay in our bushes. It is not allowed. Whoever that is sending you people, we know your agenda. We know that you guys are coming to conquer, but you cannot. You can't. You will try, but you will never succeed. The ones in the east, when they finish, another people will enter. I mean the Igbos, the ones in the east, when they are done, the ones outside will come in. You can't finish us. It's not possible. But why I'm making this remarks, why I'm talking like this is for people to hear me. The news houses are not talking. The media houses are not talking. Do you get the point? How can you be going to people's bushes and buying them? Are you the owner of the bush? Are you from the community? Are you from the state? Are you crazy? Is something happening to you people's brain? Musa is busy going to Finland to catch somebody who is not in Nigeria. The bloody civilian Tunji or Tunle behind him is ransacking the village every day. Yesterday, they went and seized too much ammunition from Plateau. And the chief of army staff will come out and talk. What are you going to talk? Who is going to listen to you? They give you general when you never went to any war. Which general? Have you been to anywhere where they are shooting gun? None of you have been there. You have never been to anywhere they are shooting gun. Nowhere. And you become a general. You just wake up, they call you, come. Now you become a general. You became a general. That's how they become generals in Nigeria. Even all these animals, all the generals, none of them is worthy to be even sergeant. None of them. None of them. The EFCC is quiet. They cannot talk. They can't do anything. DSS, they can't do anything. Until they will send you people, go to Finland and catch one person in Finland, you will go. But now, it is happening in your vicinity, in your village, in your villages. You guys cannot talk. I pity you people. I pity you people. Anyway, we are watching. But I'm drawing my ear for people to hear me. I have complained. Stop killing the people. Stop buying the people. Let the people be. That's all I've got for you guys today. Those killings in Delta State, it is not normal. It is not allowed. Nobody is talking about it. This time around, are you still going to tell us it's hunters? Are they hunters? Okay, we shall see.